So this is a 4.6 Ford in my Mustang. I changed out my injector clips with some from the junkyard because I was getting sporadic miss. Of course, I know I should have bought some new ones, but learning experience that I'm gonna share with you guys. If you do not have the money for the, I guess $30 or $25 or whatever for the new ones. So the clips, when you take them off, you will see that one of the prongs is up, one of them is down, probably because it's the cycle of heat and whatnot. So what I did on these, after I put them on, it was still missing when I put these on. So I pulled them back off, and I was sitting thinking, damn, why is it still missing? These clips actually clip on the side of the injector like they're supposed to, kind of, sort of. But, you know, once the engine gets hot, the clips start to go downhill. So what I came up with is I zip tied the bottom of the clip down at the bottom. Let me get you a good one. There you go. Right at the bottom where it's supposed to hug the clip. And I actually took some angled screws. They're real short. That is short. So this will still put tension on there because I just went down the road. It's been like this for 3 days now. I went down the road and it started, you know, missing again on this one cylinder. Scan tool was on, and I came to this and I didn't have the screw in there. So what happened was, this plastic is plastic, it slid back up, you know. So when you put the screws in there, it puts more tension and it cannot slide up as far. And I swear to you guys, this thing runs brand new, damn near. That is my tip for today. Technical Lord, yeah.